Welcome to the New Build Show. I'm Tim, and today we're in the northwest of England in the wonderful coastal town of West Kirby. And we'll be taking a look at one of these, one of 10 luxury bespoke apartments in the links with prices starting from £750,000. This spectacular, breathtaking view is part of the penthouse apartment, and this is one of the best things about it. Now, this space is effectively a second reception room, but you could quite happily use this as a snug, a games room, a media room, anything like that. Welcome to The Links, a collection of 10 luxury bespoke apartments designed by Falconer Chester Hall and developed by Blue Oak Estates. Now, these apartments are not actually in a listed building, but they do sit within a conservation area. And they have done incredible work, the architects, in tying in the aesthetics of the building and making sure that they fit within the local landscape and surroundings. You can see that the front of the property is incredibly well maintained with secure gated entrance. Everyone has their own dedicated parking spaces and EV charging points as well. You've got access to the communal rear gardens, which we're going to come to later on. But you can also see that you've got a real sense of kind of a wonderfully tight-knit little community here, which is something that they wanted to tie in with the features from the surrounding areas. Now, before we move on to the interior, I just want to draw your attention to the striking design of the exterior. Now, when I first saw this, I couldn't help but notice some parallels between this and the Royal Liverpool Golf Course. Now, I know this doesn't have the mature, grown-in ivy setting, but it does have a wonderful contemporary feel to it. Today we're going to be taking a look around the 3-bed show home apartment, but there is a variety of apartments available here at the Links, including top floor penthouse apartments, which we might be able to get a little cheeky look at. Now, when you first come into the apartment, the first thing that really strikes me is the height of those ceilings. Incredibly generous and really creating an open, airy sense. Also, this wonderful herringbone, antico, oak finished flooring that we've got that naturally leads us into the open plan living space. Now, if you do have a development or a property that you'd like to feature here on the New Build Show, then make sure that you get in touch with us at hello@thenewbuildshow.com. Now, when you do come into the open plan living space, it feels incredibly unrestricted. You feel like this is a space that you can really live in and experience. But I want to start with the kitchen, and what a kitchen it actually is. I love this waterfall edging to the Silestone worktops that you've got with that marble effect, and they really are big countertops that we've got here. They're plenty ample space for preparing your dinners or dinner parties if you wanted to be laying picky bit food out or something. Obviously, we have gone incredibly high end with the integrated appliances from Miele and the SieMatic cabinetry, which I love the color palette that they've chosen, this kind of light oak effect, which really ties in well with the flooring. So you've got integrated fridge freezer, you've got, everyone knows my favorite, the wine fridge that comes included, always important for Friday nights. You've also got plenty of storage in the cabinetry as well, meaning you never have to worry about having a cluttered kitchen. Because that's always one of the things. If you have such a beautiful kitchen, you don't want to then cover it all up with different things. You want it to still keep that aesthetic. I really like the down extractor that we've got here, so no ugly extractor sticking out and kind of getting in the way. You've also got cooker taps here, so boiling water at an instant, so you never have to wait to be able to get doing the washing up. However, if you don't fancy doing the washing up, the dishwasher's also there, and double ovens, and even a nice proving drawer as well. So they really have thought of everything. But the kitchen is always the heart of the home, but it's got to be functional. And that's where I really like this kind of countertop sort of breakfast bar seating that we've got. So even if it is just maybe doing the kids' breakfast first thing in the morning, or coffee with your partner, or maybe it's serving up some cocktails in the evening when your friends come round, this really suits all. But when you do want that slightly more formal dining experience, you can move over to your dining room space. set up for 4 people, you can see here, which is fantastic for everyday living. But I was also thinking that this would make a great little space for maybe a poker table or a little games night, something like that, if you were to have the friends coming round. I do feel like this slightly more formal area is really well suited for maybe those entertaining evenings. But speaking of entertaining, let's check out that living space. So something I'd just like to mention as we move into the living space is the underfloor heating that you have throughout the entire apartment. I mean, it makes the designing and styling for your home incredibly easy because you are unrestricted with radiators that you've got to design your styling around. And also the fact that this has been designed for everyday living. At the moment, we are set and we're laid out for a nice round circular kind of chatting environment. Bit more mature, I would say. However, if you wanted to have a media wall or something, you can have that. So if you wanted this to be a functional space for you, for the kids, for a relaxing Saturday night watching a movie, then it perfectly lends itself to that. Each apartment features a terrace or balcony with beautiful views of the exterior of the property. Now, you can already see we're on the ground floor here, and there is a wonderfully mature garden that you're overlooking. So just imagine what the views from the penthouse are going to be like. And unobstructed with these floor to ceiling glass sliding doors that you've got, which also allow that wonderful indoor-outdoor feeling. So on a summer's day, sliding the doors open, maybe even having a barbecue outside would be just beautiful. When you come out onto your private balcony or terrace, they're all finished with these beautiful porcelain tiles and a nice private section with communal gardens that you can use whenever you want to, even if you just wanted to play a little morning game of croquet. Coming back out from the open plan space into the hallway, you've got 2 doors directly opposite. One is a bit of additional storage with a water tank, and then you've got a built-in utility room, which has got ample space for your washer, your dryer, plenty of space and storage for all of your cleaning products, which allows you to have a real clutter-free home. But let's take a look at the first of those 3 bedrooms. Now, moving into the first of those 3 bedrooms, you'll notice that we've changed from the hard floors to carpet, which allows a softer, calmer feeling, more relaxed atmosphere. Plenty of space in here for a double bed, chest of drawers, wardrobes, so plenty of storage options, and also an abundance of natural light. The architects did a fantastic job in utilizing the space in this room by placing that nice high window and long feature window to the side to allow natural light in. You've even got enough space for a small vanity in here, but you don't really need that because you do have an ensuite. So the ensuite that we've got in here is a perfect size. You've got a shower with waterfall attachment, separate hose attachment, and a niche cut into the shower as well, so space to put your shampoos, your conditioners. You've also got a nice shelf in here, porcelanosa tiles, and I love the color and texture that you've got in this, a real spa-like feel. But the sheer functionality of having an ensuite, if this was going to be a guest bedroom when you have friends staying over, means they've got their own nice, secluded hideaway space. So coming out of the bedroom back along the hallway, we do have the main principal suite to the left, which we're going to show you in a moment. But before that, I want to talk about the master bathroom. The master bathroom is a really generous size, large size tub. You've also got the waterfall shower, hose shower attachments, and I really like how they've made sure that all of the controls are in easy reach, so you don't have to get a wet arm when you're reaching through for the shower. But you've also got these demisting mirrors that are included, which mean that you don't have to wait for all of that steam to disappear to carry on getting ready for your day at work. So I'm going to take you down to what's the 3rd bedroom of the apartment, which in this particular show home has actually been laid out as an office space. Now, this is fantastic if you are someone working from home because it's an ample size for you. But if you did want to turn this into a kid's bedroom or just an additional bedroom for when you have guests coming over, it's amply big enough for that. A nice big feature window, again, allowing that flood, that abundance of natural light to come into the space. This development sits alongside the Royal Liverpool Golf Course, and with West Kirby full of an abundance of shops, restaurants, cafes, it is the perfect location. But what I really want to show you is that master bedroom. Coming into the principal bedroom, you've got the ensuite to the right-hand side. Now, in this particular ensuite, you can notice a real difference in the aesthetics, the feel of it. They've changed the tiling, gone for this marble effect in the porcelanosa tiles, a bigger double walk-in shower, still with that waterfall head and the cut-in niche, but it really lends itself to a high-end luxury spa-like feel, almost like being in a 5-star hotel. Now, when you move along the corridor in your principal bedroom, you've actually got what feels like another room, but it's the walk-in wardrobe section. Ample storage space for all of your clothes, which you could even categorize into your going out wear, your work wear if you wanted to. A beautiful space for a vanity setup, which is removed from the main bedroom area, so it does, again, carry that feel of a real luxury hotel. You've also got incredible styling. Now, the entire apartment has been styled and curated by the company Loft, who have really lent into a contemporary modern feel that works beautifully with the dynamic of the actual property. But let's take a look at the final section, that main bedroom area. So walking into the main section of the bedroom through what feels like an open doorway, you can see how large and spacious the room actually is. Incredibly light and airy thanks to these sliding doors that we've got that lead onto the patio terrace area. If you did want to have a TV mounted, you've got the access to do that. So lying in bed to watch a movie of an evening or waking up with the news first thing in the morning. But I do love the fact that you could step out onto that terrace with your morning coffee and just relax and enjoy that peaceful view. So this is what I was teasing you with earlier, what I was really hoping to show you, the penthouse apartment. So when you come in, you obviously have the open entrance hallway. To the left-hand side, you've got the utility room, and then opposite, the primary bedroom. Now, this apartment isn't yet dressed, so I want you to use your imaginations and a little bit of magic from us. Coming into what would be your primary bedroom, you get this wonderful large walk-in wardrobe with more than ample space to store all of your clothes, shoes, bags, and a wonderful way to really feel that level of elegance and opulence. Opposite that spectacular walk-in wardrobe, you've got your ensuite bathroom, and it is an ensuite bathroom, not just a shower room. But what I really want to show you is this. This is what would be your main primary bedroom in here. And I want you to imagine just what this could look and feel like. Don't forget, you've also got an extending balcony with direct access from this room and that walk-in wardrobe and the most spectacular ensuite bathroom. So coming out of the primary bedroom, you have access to 2 more bedrooms and an additional reception room that I want to show you. Now, this space is effectively a second reception room, but you could quite happily use this as a snug, a games room, a media room, anything like that. Or even if you wanted to, dare I say, you could turn it into an additional bedroom. But me personally, I think setting this up as a snug, cozy little retreat away would be perfect. So let's take a look at what those other 2 bedrooms could potentially look like. Now, you have 2 rooms in this apartment of similar size to this one, and these would be your second and third bedrooms. So moving into the main part of the open plan living space, you do pass an additional WC, the second bedroom, which is a similar size to the one that we've just seen. But what I really want to show you is that open plan living space. So something else that the penthouse has is this little bit of extra space, which we think is crying out to be turned into a wine store. So this is the centerpiece of the apartment, the open plan living space. And this is what your living room area could potentially look like. A huge, vast space that you can fill with cozy, wonderful evenings in, surrounded by the fire. So in the kitchen, you've got the same Silestone worktops and integrated Miele appliances, but just imagine what you could do with all this additional space. Breakfast bar setup, small coffee setup, even a cozy corner sofa. Come with me and check this out. This is what you buy the penthouse apartment for. that spectacular view and that glorious sunshine. So this is what we've been waiting for all day, that spectacular view overlooking the Royal Liverpool Golf Course on that wonderful coastline. Just imagine sitting out here. This is what you buy the penthouse apartment for. So what did you think? What did you think of the apartments that are available here at the Links? This spectacular, breathtaking view is part of the penthouse apartment, and this is one of the best things about it. We hope you enjoyed this, and make sure to leave your comments below, and we'll catch you in the next one. Welcome to the New Build Show. I'm Tim, and today we're in the charming Georgian market town of Yarm, North Yorkshire. Located in the countryside, but close enough to the North Yorkshire coastline that it's perfect for family living. And we're here at Banks Homes' new development, the Cornfields.